Hello there techies and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we will take a look at how can we subscribe for an alert for a SharePoint list or a SharePoint document library using PnP PowerShell. So let's get started. Now we are into one of the sales team site, SharePoint site, and we are in the products document. Now maybe as a user or as an administrator, you would like to get notified when some changes happens into this product document. So if you are in the product document and if you would like to get an alert when somebody uploads this document or somebody makes changes to the document, you just want to get notified. We are not talking about adding any Power Automate here. Just to keep it simple, just the out of the box alert that tells the user that somebody has made a change or somebody has uploaded the document. Similarly, if you are also into any of the other list, you also get a similar option that if you would like to make yourself notified when somebody adds the item into the list, somebody makes any changes to the item, you can do that. Let's go back to the products document. If you click on three dots, let's click on alert me, and we need to first provide the alert title, then send alerts to which users should get an alert. Now by default it will be the current logged in user. If you want, you can also add the additional names. They all will get an alert. Delivery method, mostly it would be the email, then a change type. Now when do you want an alert to come? All changes, when new items are added, existing items are modified, or items are deleted. Send an alerts for these changes. So if anything changes, someone else changes a document, someone else changes a document created by me, and someone else changes the document last modified by me. And when do you want that alert to be sent? So do you want to send that immediately, send a daily summary, send a weekly summary? So if you select this, you can also select the time. If you select a weekly summary, you can also select the day and time. Okay, so these are the configuration options that we have. Let's see how do we create this using PnP PowerShell. Okay, we already have installed the PnP PowerShell module in the earlier videos. So now let's import the module. Import module name PnP.PowerShell. Let's connect to the Office 365 tenant. Connect PnP online. I will be passing a URL of the site. Let me grab the URL. Now I'm going to get the credentials from the Windows Credentials Manager. If you would like to know how to use the Windows Credentials Manager to connect to the Office 365, I will leave the link in the description. You can go and check the video. If you would like to ask the credentials, you can do credentials and then use get credentials method. Okay, you can also go for the interactive as well. Okay, it will ask the credentials and user can pass. I'm skipping it because I'm using the Windows Credentials Manager. Now let's go ahead and add the alert. So add PnP alert. The very first thing, we will pass the title. That's going to be the project documents alert. Okay. Then let's specify the list. It's going to be the project documents. Okay. Let's specify a user who should receive an alert. For now, I'm just going to keep it myself. If you are the administrator, of course, you can also add the multiple users. Okay, then let's go for change type, and the change type we are going to keep it all. See, if you would like to get an alert only on the addition of the new documents or the list item, you can go for add, delete, or modify object. I'm going to simply keep it all. And then we also need to specify the delivery method. It's going to be email, and then we also need to specify the frequency. The frequency is going to be daily, immediate, or weekly, so we will go for an immediate. Okay, let's just write a message, write host alert successfully created, and we'll give foreground color as green. Okay, so let's go and hit run. Okay, but it's actually the product document, so it's going to be the product documents. Products document. Okay, also the way we want to pass the user is to append this in the beginning or before the user email address. So now we are good to go. Let's go and hit run. Okay, so we can see alert has been successfully created. So let's go and check. We can click on 3 dots and now we can click on manage my alerts. And you can see this products documents alert that we created is now available. If we click on this, we will see all changes, anything changes, and send notifications immediately. So all the configurations that we set is also available. Okay. So as an example, if we go and make any edits, let's open this in the browser. If we type in 10 and it will automatically save, there it is saved, and then alert should trigger because we have set an alert on all the changes. And there we have it. We now have the alert successfully subscribed. So I hope this simple example helped you to understand how can you set the alert on the list or the document library using PnP PowerShell. Thank you so much for watching the video.